Number 1. Independence, leadership. My use in witchcraft. Use this number for spells involving leaving home, leaving a friendship or relationship, learning to stand on your own, becoming more assertive, and strengthening your willpower to reject a bad habit or learn a good habit. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 spells. Unity, the number of the Creator. At the crystal bar, motivation and momentum. 1 represents a true pioneer, eager to break ground on new endeavors, paving the way for others to follow. It awakens newness, movement, and the possibilities that await us. It is the number of creation and the birth of all things, the divine origin of the universe. Number 1 in numerology, the root of opportunity in our lives. 1 is a symbol of confidence, power, and action. It pushes us to look at our current life and realize that we have the power to turn our future into anything we wish. It inspires us to take control of our future and embrace new beginnings. Crystal for 1, garnet symbolizes strength and courage. Numerology, 1 is assigned to the letters A, J and S. Color association, the color white.